Hello, students and parents. Well, this is Anubhav Sinhal, Director Universal Tutorials. I hope you all had a wonderful Diwali. I am recording this video message to inform you of our current status and what is our plan to move forward in the coming months from November 2025 all the way up to in preparation to the board exam of March 2026. Well, as planned, we are very much comfortably finishing our entire syllabus for both 10th CBSE and 10th ICSE, and we expect to finish by mid-November the entire syllabus. In fact, you would have already seen some classes getting tapered off and a lot of classes not happening the way it is a full schedule. Only some partial classes are happening. So we prepare towards portion completion and we are targeting by mid-November entire portion would get completed. And then our date is 23rd November onwards, the Sunday, that is the third Sunday of November. We are starting with mock tests. Mock tests meaning board exam pattern jaise mock tests. How many mock tests will be conducted? We will be conducting 4 mock tests in every subject. One mock test will be held in the month of November, second in the month of December, third in the month of January, fourth in late January. Like this, we'll be holding 4 mock test series for each subject. Entire schedule and everything would be made available to you. These mock tests are being held on a day like on 23rd November. And if for some reason you're not able to write it on that day, then they will be available for late attempt all the way up to end February tak they'll be available. We will also be providing you access to our online platform where you could take these mock tests at the convenience of your home. I would want you to come and visit UT centers and write these mock tests at UT centers on designated days or late attempt also at UT centers. But if you wish to write it from the convenience of your home, you could also do that. All that access would be made available to you. So that's all from my side. For more such details and technical details, please contact individual branch coordinator or Mrs. Harsha, our academic coordinator sitting at Kharghar office for more details. Thank you very much. Prepare very well for your board exams. Wish you all the best. Thank you.